What is going on, everybody? My name is Christian Robert, and on this channel we talk stocks, personal finance, and wealth building. And today I have a quick little video for you. It is currently Sunday night at 11 p.m. Usually Sunday nights I like to check as far as what stocks I own and what stocks are reporting earnings. And so I thought I'd do a little video on 3 stocks that I own in my Robinhood account that are reporting earnings this week. So let's just jump into this one. If I'm a little quieter than normal, it's because everyone's sleeping, so bear with me. But the first stock is Aurora Cannabis. Now, I've talked about this repeatedly in several videos. It is a stock that I wish I put more money into, but I'm not going to beat myself up because obviously this is a marijuana industry stock. I don't know anything about marijuana or its industry, so I don't invest heavily in things I don't really understand, and that should be a lesson for everyone. You know, just because you hear of a hot stock doesn't mean you have to own it. You know, own stocks you're comfortable owning. If you're not understanding something or you don't know where a company is heading, just because it's a name brand or everyone's talking about it, don't feel peer pressured into owning it. Now, this stock is reporting the 11th, so that is tomorrow, Monday, after hours. I'm hearing a lot of mixed results on YouTube as far as what people are expecting. Some people think that they're going to blow numbers out of the water. Other people think that they will not meet their expectations. In the last 3 months, it's very flat. In the last year, it's down 14%, which is strange because I'm up 42%. But yeah, this one's a coin flip. I don't try to time these things. I don't invest right before an earnings report unless I want to take that short-term risk. But this is definitely something I will have my eyes on. If the numbers look good, I may add to it. It's not at the top of my list right now, but I will definitely keep you guys updated with that. Now, the next one is probably the one that I'm most intrigued about as of right now, and that is Activision Blizzard, currently at $43.72. If you look at a 1-year chart, it's been getting destroyed, down 34%. Now, they are reporting Tuesday after hours, and if you look at its history of earnings, the last one they barely beat, but they have been consistently beating, as you can see, for the last 6 quarters. So, if you follow trends, you might be inclined to believe that they will continue to beat earnings, but this one I am not too sure about. Honestly, I think I would like to see them miss numbers, and if this stock touches under $40, I will definitely be getting aggressive and adding to this one. I believe that this price is very attractive. I mean, if you look back in September, end of September, it was in the $80 range. So I have no problem sitting tight on this stock for a couple of years. I believe it will rebound. So I'm excited for this one. And then the third stock, one of my biggest holdings, and that would be Nvidia. Now, Nvidia, if you remember, a few weeks back, they came out and lowered expectations or guidance. So that really shocked a lot of people, but they are going to report Thursday after hours. So this one is a big one. As you can see, it has a history of doing quite well during earnings. This one I do not think they will beat, just because of the report that came out not too long ago. It doesn't make sense that would come out and that they would, smash numbers. So I have not been adding to this one simply because I do not think they will beat numbers. Now, this is just my personal opinion. I don't know. Nobody knows what's going to happen on earnings. It's a total gamble trying to guess. but that is just my personal opinion. So if they miss, which I think they will, it will be really interesting to see how far they drop. I've said in the past, I really want this one in the 120 range, and that's when I will really get active about adding to this. If you look at a 3-month chart since last quarter, down 26%. A 1-year chart, down 37%, very similar to Activision. So this one's very interesting. I think this one has a ton of potential in the long term, so I don't care what happens in the next couple of days or couple of earnings, because I'm looking 3 to 5 years out and I see very good things. So I just wanted to do a quick little video about 3 stocks that I will be watching this week. Now, if I add to these ones, that is yet to be seen. But as always, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.